Rubric for individual assignments, Week 1, 50 possible points, ISO 1101, Instructor Diana Absatz Blades, Winter 2012. This is your individual assignment rubric for Week 1, Simulated Scenario. Please just take a couple minutes to read all of the criteria and all of the performance levels required for this assignment. Continuing with your individual assignment for Week 1, please go ahead and take another minute to go over all the criteria and all the performance levels of your assignment. How to interpret this part of the rubric? The following is the criteria for the high score 4. Draw reasonable solutions, conclusions for the simulated scenario. Successfully and clearly describes a realistic approach to solving the problem and proves it's effective, feasible, and acceptable. In order to score a 4 in this criteria, a student must find a solution to the simulated problem along with reasonable evidence for choosing the particular solution or solutions to the simulated problem. How to interpret this part of the rubric? The following is the criteria for the high score 4. Identify the problem and effectively states the core of the problem. Demonstrates the ability to conduct a clear and insightful understanding of the problem. A need to find a solution is well established. In order to score a 4 in this criteria, a student must demonstrate complete understanding of the simulated problem by highlighting and analyzing the key issues of the simulated problem. A need to find an effective solution to the problem must be addressed. How to interpret this part of the rubric? The following is the criteria for the high score 4. Grammar and spelling, clarity of language. Make sure that you organize your thoughts and ideas before you begin writing. With techniques such as free writing, brainstorming, and outlining, say exactly what you mean by avoiding ambiguous language, using modifiers, eliminating unnecessary words and phrases, and using the active voice whenever possible. Avoid using common misused and confused words, denotation versus connotation, and inclusive language. Part of the rubric. The following is the criteria for the high score 4. Overall organization. You must have a thesis statement. Even if writing about personal experiences, back up your opinions with facts. You must present a strong conclusion. Your conclusion must knit your essay together. Essays with ambiguous endings are seldom successful. How to interpret this part of the rubric? The following is the criteria for the highest score 4. Appropriateness of sources and APA reference style. Students must cite at least 4 scholarly sources. Don't forget to cite your sources in the reference page or sheet or in APA style within the document. If you have a question about an APA citation, refer to your APA manual handbook.